Welcome back to JavaScript programming series. So in this video, we are going to look at the environment setup for JavaScript examples. Okay, so we need to install the VS Code, Visual Studio Code for writing our JavaScript code. Okay, so here you can click on this download button and you can download your respective package. So if you are a Windows user, you can download these packages. If you are a Linux users, you can download these packages. If you are a Mac users, you can download these packages, okay, and install respectively. So once this one is installed, then we can start writing the JavaScript code and we can execute it right away. But for better development or learning experience, it's good to install the Node.js also so that we can run these examples using the Node.js. Okay, so install these two, Node.js and VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Then we are ready to run the JavaScript programming.